Hi there, how are you today? I wanted to show you really quickly one of the favorite ways that I love to use essential oils, and that is topically in a roller bottle. Now, a roller bottle is essentially a bottle, so we'd always want to have it in glass because essential oils don't degrade the plastic and glass, and you would preferably want it in a darker colored glass so that it doesn't degrade from the sunlight as well. And essentially a roller bottle is just a bottle that has this little roller application at the tip. So it has this little metal roller bottle. Always recommend the metal ones. The plastic ones just don't work well, they leak, and plastic is plastic again, which you're trying to eliminate. And then this one is not my favorite. I did get this one from Amazon. It is not my favorite, but because it has the plastic. So the metal doesn't roll as nicely against the plastic. But how you would use this is you would just roll it wherever you need the relief. So you would roll it on your wrists or on your arms or on your neck, on your spine or on your feet, the bottoms of your feet, or wherever that you need that blend. Now, I just mentioned that I'm not a huge fan of this one. This one's from Amazon. What I do love is just reusing my old 5 ml or 15 ml bottles of my essential oils. And then I get these Aroma Glide Fit Mints that come from Young Living. And there is one in your premium starter kit if you happen to get the premium starter kit. And what I love about this one is the smoothest roller I've ever purchased. It's the metal on metal, and it goes so much nicer, and I find it doesn't leak, and I just really, really love it. I just reuse my bottles. I take the labels off, and then again, just a little tip, if the bottle still has the sticky from the stickers, then just use your lemon, put it on a piece of paper towel, and just wipe it off, and it comes off super, super easy. Now, what else you're going to need is, besides your roller bottle, is you're going to need a carrier oil. Now, my favorite carrier oil is fractionated coconut oil. And the reason why I love fractionated coconut oil is that it is very light, it's not greasy, it doesn't stain your clothes, and it doesn't have a smell. So if you're going to use olive oil, for instance, you would have that olive oil smell. You can use jojoba or sweet almond oil or sunflower, safflower oil. There's tons, or grapeseed oil. There's tons of different carriers out there. I just love this one because I can get it at my grocery store. This one's my favorite. It's by President's Choice. And I love it because it comes with this little handy dandy little spout, and it just helps to get the oils into the bottle. So all you would do is take your bottle, and I would put my essential oils in first. Now again, if you're going to use essential oils, make sure, especially if you're using them topically, make sure that they're the best quality essential oils, that they're not made with fillers and synthetic fillers, because a lot of companies do that. Make sure you know where you get your oils from. And that's why I use Young Living, because I trust that I know where the oils are coming from, that from the seed to the seal, that I know that it's been tested, scientifically tested, to make sure that it passes all the standards, and that it's only the best quality oil going into my products. So you would put, depending on the recipe, whatever the recipe tells you, you would put your essential oils in, and then you would just put in your carrier oil, and then you would just pop on your top to your fitment. You just push it in until it snaps, and then if you're having a hard time, you can put your lid on, and then it helps to snap it, and then use it, and that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little video on how to make a roller bottle, and if you have any questions, please just hit reply.